In this video, I'll show you how to buy, activate, and install the Saily eSIM on an iPhone. First, you'd want to download the Saily app from the Play Store or the App Store. Once it's installed, open it up, and the first thing you'll need to do is sign up for your account. After that, tap on Explore Plans. Here, you'll find both country and regional plans. To search for a specific country, just tap the search icon and enter its name. Once you've found the right plan, select it and tap Continue. Next, choose your preferred payment method and complete the purchase. After that, tap on Check Your eSIM Plan. It will take you to your main dashboard, where you can manage all your eSIM plans along with some beginner instructions. If you tap on the top of your screen, you can buy another eSIM. Now, to install the eSIM, tap on the Install eSIM located in the middle of the screen. It will give you two options, Install eSIM or Share to another person. If you want to activate it on another device, select the second option and scan the QR code. Otherwise, tap on the Install eSIM. Then tap Allow and tap Continue. It will start the activation process, which takes around 1 minute. After that, choose your label. I'll name it Saily. Then tap Continue. Choose which network you want to use for mobile data and make sure to toggle off mobile data switching. Lastly, toggle on data roaming. Now you can go back to the Saily app, and as you can see, we've successfully installed our eSIM. That's it. This is how to buy and install the Saily eSIM on an iPhone. Thank you so much for watching.